Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today I'm either going to do this one of two ways. So you're going to see it. I'm either going to tack it on to my Temu haul or I'm going to do it separate. Got a phone somewhere. So I got the prices and I haven't been able to put out any craft ones because I've been wanting to make these wreaths for Christmas in July. So I had to order some stock. I didn't realize how low I'd gotten on my stock until I tried to do some wreaths here lately. So this haul came from Craft Outlet, craftoutlet.com. If I find any promotion codes or anything like that, I'll link them for you. But I haven't had any, so I don't know if they even offer any. Here's the box. Big old box. Came from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I haven't made a big order in a couple of years. So this was long overdue. And I'm starting to make more stuff now. Here it is all. Oh, my husband will love those. There it all is. This is the new color of our local county high school. It was always the Hopkinsville Tigers, and they were black and orange. And now it's the Christian County Tigers, and they're blue and orange. So I got that, but yeah. So I'm going to get this out and I'm going to show y'all what we got. Alright. That took a minute to get all that done. Okay, I'm just going to start down here and just go this way. Alright. So I got 2 rows of 21-inch white Deco mesh. This is the poly mesh. It's 21 inches. Got 2 of them. So they're $5.95 each. And each one of these are 21 inches by 10 yards. That's what the 21 inches is for 10 yards. Move all this down. So, when I normally run out of something like I needed like one red to do a wreath, I'll just run to Hobby Lobby or have someone go to Hobby Lobby. But theirs is like $7.99 on sale right now, so that's not gonna get it. That's for 10 inch, not a 21 inch. So, 2 21-inch whites were $5.95. Then I got 4 10-inch. And it takes, you could do a wreath 1 10-yard row. But the last one, because I made my curls so big, I took a row and apart. So I try to remember how many rows it takes to make whatever design I want to make, and that's how many I buy. Because you don't want to have an odd one out. So I got 4 rows of this. And this is the same poly mesh, same as the white one. This is identical pattern. Let me see if I can hold this up closer so y'all see. And this was $3.95 per row. So 4 rows of this. I could give y'all 4 rows for $15.80. Okay. I'm gonna run out of room, I see. Okay, now I'm gonna get into the part of the Christmas. That was Christmas too, but. So I got 4 rows of this. This is the poly mesh, same as the white and red. So I got 4 rows of that. And this was $3.95 each per row, 10 inch by 10 yards. Okay, so I only got 2 rows of the Deco mesh poly mesh with the metallic. See the metallic ribbon going through it, and it costs $1 more per row, but it's also frays a lot more. So when you use any with metallic, what you want to do is get a wood burner or a soldering iron, like this is. This just a plain soldering iron. I don't know where my husband got it, but I stole it from him. And you cut the mesh with the metallic. That way it seals the plastic and it frays less. but do it in a well ventilated area, y'all. So these were $4.25 each. So 30 cents more to get metallic in it. But what are those? Alright. Next, I haven't ever experimented with the really busy patterns because I'm like more of a, I like my Deco mesh to be kind of muted. So all my Deco mesh is poly. I think I've only ever bought one or two that's not poly, that it's fabric, or because whatever, depending on what you're going to do is what kind of mesh you need, and I can do that on another thing. But this was $5.50 and it's 10 inches by 10 yards, and it's the ombre metallic mesh, and I will be cutting this with my soldering iron. So I got two of those at $5.50. Like I said, this is going to last me a couple of years, maybe this year, next year, hopefully. This is my most expensive, and it's got the snowball on it. Anytime you see the wreath of the snowball, which is the white little pom-pom little things on them, it's called snowball mesh. And it's got the metallic in it, the snowball, so it's just like a hot old mess in here. And this was the most expensive, 10 inches by 10 yards, and it was $6.95. But I thought I wanted to step my game up a little and have something a little bit more. See what I could do this year with these two sets. See, you know. Okay. So this might be Halloween. Probably, yeah, it's gonna be Halloween. Or I might make it, like I said, my school colors. So for $5.50, 10 inch by 10 yards, I got two of these metallic, the blues metallic Deco mesh. They're poly mesh. I just got one row of this because I already have some. I think I have one row or two rows. So it's 21 inches by 10 inch. And I have the exact same poly mesh. And this was $5.95. So what you're doing is you're paying this, what was it? $5.50. These two right here are $5.50. So you're almost getting a 21 inch. And I used to make all my wreaths with the 21 inch. And then I started taking these and putting them as a garland around my door, so it makes it fuller. And started using a 10 inch more for, I mean, these little 10 inches, a little shorter 10 inches, ain't it? Y'all see that, right? So this was $5.95 for 21 inch. Okay. Hold on, y'all. As y'all know, I've been buying my metal signs from Temu. So let me just grab a couple. Here's one. I'll grab a square one and they're not Christmas ones. This is the biggest you get from Temu. See, it's thin, and I mean it's okay. It's sturdy, but it's okay. And we all know about these 10 signs. I mean, they are what they are, but they're $3 or $4, and the prices went up to $6 and $7. I think I even see one for 10. But these ain't always protected in shipping. Sorry, this ain't a Temu one, but I just wanted to make sure y'all knew. Okay, so I bought my first signs from Craft Outlet. This one was $2.95. And it's just a solid sheet of aluminum. Gotta be a little careful. It's a little, I feel a little drag here. But it's got 2 holes in it and a sign. I'll take that off to put it on my thing. I'll probably put 2 more holes down here with my crocodile, the big one. But $2.95, and I think that was still cheaper, even when this is good old Temu days when they were cheaper. It's still cheaper. So $2.95 for that. I just wanted to try one of their Halloween signs out. While I was getting free shipping already, I said, let's throw some stuff in there that I want to try out. Okay, I have 2 wreaths to make this month for 2 of my best friends. And so I bought some big 12-inch signs, and these are heavy. Oh my goodness, I did not know they was this heavy, or they're worth the money. Let me get this out of this little bag. I mean, it comes from China too. It says on the back, made in China. So I don't know what their deal is, why they get stuff bigger. So $5.75. You see this? It's sturdy, and it's got Believe in the Magic of Christmas, and it's got a vintage Santa Claus looking at you. So $5.75. I mean, oh my goodness, you can't get the 12-inch ones on Temu. At least I haven't seen them. And this is really, really thick. So this is going to be really sturdy. I'm really impressed with this. I think you have to buy $69 on Craft Outlet to get free shipping. So I qualified for the free shipping. Okay, for my other best friend, this was $7.50. And it's got white enamel on the back. Got some glitter. Merry Christmas. Really, really thick. You hear it. And it's a vintage Santa also. I hope I picked these right because I already have the ribbons. Okay. I decided to go a total different way on one of my wreaths I gotta make. I can't remember what the ribbons were, but I'm going a total different way. Surprise, surprise. So for $4.52, I got a 10 yards at 2.5 inches. It's the red gingham with the leopard. I wish I could have found the leopard with tartan, but I couldn't. So that was number one. It was $4.52. About the same as Hobby Lobby's prices when they got it on 50 or 60 or 75% sale, whatever it is. Okay, for 10 yards, 2.65, I got Merry Christmas. It's got some glitter in it. Got Santa. Got some leopard on his hat, leopard on the thing, and little fuzz, fluffy fuzz at the end. So this was $8.95. I went ahead and splurged on this one, because sometimes you need that splurge ribbon. So here's two of them that's going to go together. And the last one I got 50 yards. I like 50 yards. I hate getting 10 yards. I like 50 yards. So for 50 yards, this was $10.56. I probably should have bought two. And it is the iconic red truck with the Christmas tree in the back with leopard. That gold trim. And I think because of this gold, I can't reach my tartan, y'all. It's way up there. But I got a little one here. Okay, here's the little one I just got on Whatnot. See the gold trim with the green? It's going to match the gold and the green on the truck. I think. Not sure, but I think. What did I do? I thought I bought 2 1.5 inches, but I didn't. I got 2.5 inch. Oh well, we'll figure this out. Oh no. Who knows? So that was my haul for Craft Outlet, and the total price, because I got free shipping, taxes. I didn't include my tax ID number, so it was $135.08. And like I said, this will get me at least a couple of seasons, because I don't make that many anymore. So just think, even if I do use one, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can make 16 wreaths and 3 garlands, door garlands with that. And then not the ribbon. So that's a really good. If I was selling them, a really great deal. Alright, I want to thank everybody for coming and spending this time with me in my craft shop. And if y'all haven't seen my little ghost yet, I gave her a little bow, made her all frilly and girly. So see y'all later. Bye, y'all.